My name is Franco. I am from Argentina, and I think my journey in science started in high school, probably. I went to this secondary school that was oriented mainly towards science and maybe engineering. And yes, I think that's when it all started. I started learning about classical mechanics, and that thing really caught me, and that's maybe what I decided to study physics in the university then. So I started studying physics in Rosario, in my hometown in Argentina. When I started studying my PhD in Argentina, I started studying mainly magnetic systems, the Heisenberg model, and 2D systems, and with the DMRC method based in matrix product states. Then I changed my subject a little bit to studying quasi-one-dimensional systems, topological phases of matter, and try to find topological phases, also working with this method of DMRC and PS, and study a little bit of that. Then, now in Germany, I started studying also topological systems, also in quasi-one-dimensional settings. But we are now trying to find Majorana topological states, try to find Majorana as end states of these topological systems, also with MPS and DMRC-based methods. When I was studying my PhD, at some point I realized I have to go abroad because in Argentina, I really knew what was happening. Of course, I didn't know everybody, but I knew how science was done more or less there in that topic. So it felt like I had to go abroad. So I started looking mainly in Europe because I find it more interesting. I don't know, personal decision. And okay, there was a lot of things or places I could choose, but at the end, a colleague pointed me out of the Corina Collatz group in Bonn. So I started reading a little bit about it, trying to see what they have been doing, and I found it really interesting. I think what it was really most appealing to me was that it was similar to what I was doing, but at the end, but also it was a new thing that was a nice combination of these two possibilities. And okay, then I contact them. Besides physics, I think in general my passion may be learning new things. So maybe that's why I don't have a specific passion of hobby besides physics. I'm always jumping from something to another, never maybe really nothing. But last year maybe my last hobby was trying to make my own beer and try to experiment a little bit with this. I really didn't get so good, but I have time to practice, and I hope I will continue doing this in the future when everything comes back to normal.